y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am having rice, cucumbers, beef sausages. I got a king crab, some shrimp, lemons, and limes. I'm also having one of my favorite now, bubblies. This is a blackberry bubbly. And I'm gonna throw that into some of this fruit that I have. What is it? Strawberries, mangoes, and pineapples. Yes, yes, yes. And I also have some bloveslifesauce on the side. Let's do a little thumbnail. I'm gonna get into a prayer, and then we can start eating. So here we go. I know I ain't do a video in a while. Like, it's been a little bit. I'm trying to stay on point. But here we go. I don't want to drop nothing. I can't drop not a bit. Let me see. I think I got it. Alright, let me dump this in here for you guys. And no one else need it done. They're gonna get did soon. Very, very soon. So I'm gonna say a prayer, then we're gonna dig in. Amen. And amen again. Let me see. I am going to pour some of this sauce on my rice. Pour it on my rice. Oh, yes. Look at that sauce. Put it in there. Yep. Put it right on in there. Right in there. Okay. I know I was going to do that. Okay. See what I'm going to start off with. Maybe some of this rice. Give it some. There you go. No. Can you bring me a couple napkins? I forgot the napkins. Thank you.
Welcome.
You can leave that out anyway. You go. You want some sausages? Ooh, here you go. Y'all always call me a Geechee because I used to always love rice. Every time I go somewhere or we have something, rice. Rice is my favorite. It is. And for what? Forever will be. One of my favorites. Look at this. I got king crabs that was already split and cut for you. Get it? I'm bigger than my head. Y'all, so guess what happened to me today? So now, mind you, I know I've been on for a while. Maybe I need to dump this a little bit. Look, maybe I need a charger for my car, right? Not a charger, a new battery. Because today, I had to call AAA. So they can come out and give me a jump. A jump. I had so many places to go today. The last place I had to go, this thing acted like it didn't want to start up. I knew it was the battery. Because the lights and everything still kick in, come on. So no call AAA. I was surprised. They came in like 16 minutes. It was quick because they usually tell you like almost 40 minutes. 40 minutes to an hour. That thing came quick. Real quick. And the good thing I called them back because they tell you to send your location through the phone. So the location they got through the phone, like it was similar, but it wasn't the correct address. I called them back and told him where I was at. And he was like, oh, good thing you called back because they had you in the middle of a field somewhere. I was like, yeah, it's a good thing I called back. But thanks. As soon as I said that, they got there like, woo, maybe like 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later. Look at that. Quick, and I appreciate it. He came out there, put that battery on it, started right up. Right up. This is so good. I ate this a while ago. I had, in one of my previous videos, I had some beef sausages, the rice, cucumbers, and some black beans. That was good too. Switching it up a little bit. And adding king crab to it. And the shrimp. I've never did it like this. But it's good. And I actually got this from Steph and Tosh. Saw them eating it on their channel. So good. Have y'all been watching the news lately? Now I know Philadelphia is crazy, right? But lately, like it seemed like this story, like a couple stories just touched me. It was 4 shootings, like in the same night. And when I was watching the story on the news, I actually saw this mother and some of her family members trying to run to the crime scene where there's a body laying on the ground still at a museum in Philadelphia where, I mean, a lot of people had to go before. Walk past, shopping, whatever. Young boy in his 20s. Body just laying there. And the mom, you hear the lady screaming like, my son. Trying to get over there to the scene. Cops holding her back. That's like a hurtful feeling. Because that can happen to anybody. And they say he was basically targeted by these individuals because it was 4 guys in the vehicle. Jumped out and started firing at him 36 times. 36 times they shot at him. They knew who he was and they wanted him. Now, was he involved with anything or did they have a reason for doing this? I don't know. They didn't say it yet. They didn't say it yet. But I'm sure, you know, when stories come up, they start saying all about their history, especially when the cops can't solve the crime. They'll bring up his history and how much he used to get in trouble and all that extra stuff to come up. But I'm just waiting to see if that's what they come up with. Yeah, I know it's coming for sure. I know it. And then on the other side, you know, the family members be like, he never did no wrong. Let's squish a little lemon on that. He never did no wrong to nobody. He was a good kid, played sports. You know, all that's gonna come out too. I'm just praying for the families, because there was a lot going on that night. And there's a lot of loved ones that are mourning. I would never want to go through that. Ever. Especially a child. Especially your child. One of the stories was a little young girl. Her boyfriend was getting into they was arguing on the phone prior to them disappearing. She was pregnant, 3 months. She was, by the boyfriend that she was with, and they went for a ride. Out of nowhere, they couldn't find him either. They ended up finding his vehicle, which he had 2018. I think it's a truck or something, and the vehicle was burnt, set on fire, but they couldn't find them. I'm putting some lemon on this meat. They can't find him or her, but then they find a body later on, a female, which the cops just said they believe is her. They automatically believe it's her. And then the cops said on the news, if it's not her, it's somebody's loved one. But if they're not sure, I don't understand why they would say that, knowing that, I mean, their families are watching. They're watching these stories. Oh, excuse me. And for you to randomly just say it was her, that's not fair. Not fair. Woo. Y'all, I'm starting to get full. I'm about to try to Leave it like that. Should I do a shrimp one? Oh, my mouth ain't that big. Let me try a big bite. Try one of those big bites. Might throw, yeah, I'm gonna throw a little bit of king crab on there too. See if I can do it like that. Woo. Take a drink before I do this to myself. Oh, excuse me. Let me see. Add some crab meat onto it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a bite. Put some sauce with it. Ooh. Alright, let me try this. Get it. Zoom in, zoom in. Ooh. I think you want to zoom in with the sausage, everything. Okay. Ooh. Try this big bite. Mmm. Yes, I do have a big bite after all. I guess the bird wants some. I don't know. So good. I'm not trying to hold you on this video too long, but I got some other stuff to do. And I know y'all got stuff to do too. That came out of here. Take another bite of this rice. And I think that's all, folks. Excuse me. Alright, keep coming. Cucumber is so refreshing. So refreshing. Like I told you about those stories, those families in Philly that are going through it. Let's just continue to pray for them. Because you never know when it might reverse and hit your side of the family, something like that, your loved ones. So just keep doing your prayers. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.